As we all know what we can do with the ChatGPT and how powerful it is. If you need code, it will write for you. If you need script, that's not hard thing for the ChatGPT. Or if you want to ask any question to ChatGPT, it will answer. But the problem is that we can use ChatGPT on desktop or laptop. Still, there is no Android application available for the ChatGPT on Play Store. But I have solution for that. So in this video, I will answer you how to use the ChatGPT on your phone. So for that, let's dive into the video. So here you can see I'm using ChatGPT on my phone. It's really cool. I ask questions and here you can easily copy the text and paste on WhatsApp or even in message or if you are going to mail your boss. So it's really cool. So first open the Google Chrome on your phone. So here you will need to open a link which is chat.openai.com. I will provide this link in the description of this video. You need to log in or the sign up first. So after that, open the options of the Chrome from the top right. And here tap add to home screen. Now you can give any name like I'm giving ChatGPT and then tap add. And here again tap add. And that's it. Now go to home and ChatGPT icon will appear on your home screen. Here you can see. You just need to tap it to open the ChatGPT and boom, here you can see. So by this, with just one click or the tap, you can open the ChatGPT and use it. It's really helpful. You can ask anything. And the best part is that it's real ChatGPT that you use on the laptop or the desktop. So now you can use it on your phone for free. You can copy anything from here and can paste on WhatsApp or message or even email. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.